In this video, I show you how to install the newly released SLOBS or StreamLabs OBS in Windows 10, coming up. Hi guys, my name is Joe and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to install StreamLabs OBS, which is a new recording software for your screen and gaming. So the first thing we need to do is go to the streamlabs.com website and /streamlabs-OBS. When you're there, click onto the download beta and it will start to download. Whilst that's downloading, it's worth noting that this current version is in beta, so there may be some considerable changes when you come to install it. Also, StreamLabs is a version of OBS, which stands for Open Broadcast Software. You can download that separately and there's loads of tutorials on YouTube and in different locations if you want to set up OBS instead of StreamLabs OBS. They are very similar, but they do have a few differences as well. It's worth noting that OBS and StreamLabs OBS are both open source softwares, so it means that they're going to be free and you're not going to have to pay for any of it. Now, to differentiate between the two, quite a lot of people are calling StreamLabs OBS SLOBS, so I'm going to do the same, and that will just help us differentiate between the two if we ever need to refer to one or the other. So now it's finished downloading, click onto the installer and agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them if you feel like it. And as it loads up, you'll be asked if you want to connect to either Twitch or YouTube. You can also select set up later. What I'll do now is, just to give you a quick demo, is connect to my Twitch account. If you don't have either account, you can sign up as well. And then the next option is, if you already use OBS, which a lot of people probably will be doing at the moment, then you can actually import your settings. I'm not going to do that on this occasion. I'm going to start fresh. And then it gives you the widgets that you can add. Now, widgets are the same things that you would see on the StreamLabs website, like the alert box, the list events, and the jar and things like that. There's some other ones as well that you can look at later. Again, I'm going to click on Setup Later. And then a key part here is that you can optimize your settings. So if you click Start, it will detect all of the best settings for you and you'll be right ready to stream straight away without having to do any previous setup. And as that finishes, click Next, and you'll be confronted with a very similar screen to what you're used to on OBS. And if you haven't used OBS before, then this is what it looks like, and this is what we'll be using from now on. This version has some really good features. It's got the CPU usage and frames per second and everything down in the bottom corner. When you're streaming, you can see your KBS as well. So another extremely helpful thing on this platform is that you've got this live tab. If we click over onto the live tab, you get to see all of your recent events, and you can expand this section here as well to see the chat. So you no longer have to have separate tabs open in your web browser and things like that. You get it all in one little package, all on one screen. That's going to be extremely helpful for a lot of people. So a lot of professional streamers will have double screens, so they can put it onto the other side, and then they just go from there, and it's all in one place, and it's just a few clicks away to be able to get to any of your things that you need to get to. All of the web interface is under the dashboard section, and the library also shows all of the different colors, and it's actually really cool. You can select setups, so you don't have to try and set everything up yourself. If you're a brand new streamer, then you can just select one of these, install it, and put your webcam into the right place, and then stream your game in the background, and you're ready to go straight away. We'll be going over that in more detail in another video. So before you go, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the first looks of StreamLabs OBS SLOBS, and if you're going to be using it or not. There's quite a few bugs still out with this, and that's why it's still in beta version, so you may choose not to use it for now, but I think it's something that will become very popular and is going to really be utilized by a lot of professional gamers in the near future. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.